Hi guys and welcome to today's live intraday trading. So right now I'm buying TechM in the market level now around 1108. I just bought it now. So let's see how the stock will perform today. Okay. So plan to take the target up to like 5 or 6 points depending on the stock movement. So as of now the market is currently 0.42% down, but this stocks according to my knowledge and the strategy and the study, I guess this stock can go up today because even in previous day you can see it has come down and it is in the level where the stock can perform in the upper side. That is, this is a zone where the buyers are there in the stock. Okay, so 1100 is a good support for the stock, what I've seen. So let's see how the stock will perform, and depending on the movement we'll just take the exit, and I'm planning to take the target up to like 5 or 6 points. Okay, so let's wait for the stock to perform. As of now the market is still in a bearish side, minus 0.40% down almost. The market is trading around 18,565 levels today. Okay, so it opened in a gap down section, but let's see. I guess the TechM can perform in a bullish side. Okay, so let's wait for the stock to perform. 1109 almost, we are close to 1109 now. So this is a new high what it has made for the today. 1109 has been touched, so let's wait for some time and see how the stock will perform. And guys, to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you need to have a good trading strategy and a good trading setup. Okay, so if you guys wish to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support. The main aim of our course is to make you as a profitable trader, and the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. You can go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So once you join us, you'll get the same live market support. Okay, so whatever the trades I'm doing, you'll get the same support in live market as well once you join us. So guys, yes, now we are back to the trade. The stock is now trading around 1110, so it's almost near to our target. So let's wait and see how the stock will perform, and also once I take the exit of this trade I'll update you guys. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has made a high of 1128 almost, and I took my exit with almost 5 to 6 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of TechCam. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.